Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use Google reverse image search on an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to learn to use Google to use an image to search for a particular information on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to use Google reverse image search on your iPhone, there are two things to do. It's either you have an image you want to snap or you already have the image on your iPhone. So with that being said, go ahead and open the Google app on your phone, or better still, go ahead, open a browser, and then on the browser, open a new tab. So either you use a browser or you use the Google app on your iPhone, they are both similar. Then once open it, locate and click on this camera icon. So this is the Google reverse option. Click on that. Then you should see the Google Lens opens. Once the Google Lens opens, go ahead and take a photo of anything, whose research image you want to search for. To use the image on your Photos app, click on this Photos app, and then scroll down to the image you want to search in Google. So just scroll through the image that you want to search in Google. So in this case, let's say this. Then I want to search for it, then you should see the search result pops beneath like this. Then you can now go ahead, click on the image to know more about it. You can repeat the same thing again to search for any image on your iPhone, and the Google reverse image is going to give you the exact description of the image. You see that? So this is a Yongnuo lens I have here, this particular lens. So I just use the Google reverse image to search for it now, and you can see it says the name of the lens. So that is exactly how to use Google reverse image search on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.